Tell us where you want to go, and we will bring you there. We are Versalift, situated in Farsø in Denmark. We are one of the market-leading manufacturers of aerial access platforms and mount them on vans, pickups, chassis, trucks and tracks. At Versalift, we are known for our ability to engineer a state-of-the-art product to the highest global safety standards, and we offer a number of patented safety features to ensure the operator's safety. We are certainly leaders through innovation, and we design our products to suit your demand. Whether your task is easily accessible at a limited height or almost impossible to reach, we have the equipment to suit your demand. We have been doing this for more than 55 years. We are part of Time MFG in the USA. Time MFG is responsible for production and sales of lifts on the American continent. In Farsø, we are responsible for export to the rest of the world. In addition, we develop and produce lifts for Europe. Together with our companies in France and the United Kingdom, we mount lifts for Europe. All in all, we produce lifts for the whole world. We produce the equipment in-house, therefore we can guarantee a supply of spare parts in the future. We also have the industry's largest stock of spare parts. They can be shipped out without delay. With innovation, commitment and quality, we stand behind our products. It's all about safety. All our products are tested with 150% of its capacity and in the most demanding areas before delivery. We take the climate challenge seriously. That is why we've developed environmentally friendly lifts. We have a comprehensive range of hybrid and fully electric solutions. When you talk with us, you'll notice our knowledge and passion for quality and reliability. For both standard and special solutions, we will gladly pay you a visit, and you are always most welcome at Versalift.